studies, and today's class is really interesting. It's what you've been waiting for all this while. It's about CSS pseudo elements before and after. There you go. So let's get started. HTML. Let's consider a very simple example of a header. Let's say hello world. Okay, now this is my hello world, right? This is my HTML. I go over to my CSS to style this. So the syntax for before is like this. The pseudo element before, double colon, before, curly brackets. But before that, sorry, I forgot something. H1, that's the element that you're styling. Then the curly brackets. Okay. So you need to write the syntax content because you want to put something before the title. Content. Let's say I want to put this asterisk. So first this, and then again open and close inverted column, and then in between that the asterisk. Okay, semicolon. Let's see what happens. Boom, the magic. There. Again, go back to your CSS. Sorry, H1. Go back to your CSS. Now I want to do after. So H1 to, then the after, curly brackets, content, within the inverted columns. After content, and what do I want to show? There you go. So for H1, before, I put the H1 double column before content and then the asterisk. For after, the same thing. I just write after instead of before. Let's do a paragraph. P P ipsum lorem. Okay, do the same stuff for the paragraph. P before do the same stuff for paragraph. P double colon before content. Let's say I want to put another symbol. Forgot the inverted. Let's check it out. There you go. Go back. What if I do after? Let's say you can do the same thing with link as well, with an a link. Let's say you have a hyperlink. So this is your hyperlink. A link tag. Okay. A before. Content. Oh, sorry. Don't forget the open and close inverted. Okay, check it out. There, that's beautiful. It's better with the text, right? Okay. What else you can do? You can even do other stuff. I'll show you how. Let's do a span. Or first, let's do a quote. Okay. Let's do a quote first. Okay, let's say seeing is believing. Okay. You have a quote here. I forgot to, I don't want the P here, sorry, I just removed the P. Otherwise the P will get styled from the other P. Okay. Now I forgot to put a line here, line break. Okay. Yeah, this is good. One more line break. Looks good. So I go over to my CSS. Code. Curly brackets. before, I forgot the before. Content. For this you need to use the less sign. Let me look for it. Okay. Oh, this is the syntax. Let's check it out. I forgot something. The inverted open and close. Forgot to wrap it within the open and close inverted. That's very important. Okay, but I shouldn't be writing the Q here. That's why. Okay, now we are good to go. Sorry about that. And I can also do here Q after content. Look for the greater than symbol. Okay. Semicolon. There you go. Now you can also do other stuff with span. Let's check it out. Let's say welcome to my store. Span, special, span, so I do a sentence like welcome to my store. This is a span, right? This is a span, then I span the special. Then check this out. Go to the CSS. I need to do a span class. Let's say important. Okay, that's my span class. Okay, so So span, I want to style the span dot important curly brackets, let's say color green or white, background green, this is done, right? Now I go back here. I want to add something before the span. Before content I want to write note. Color red, background yellow, that's cute, right? We can even write a colon in the note to be better, to look better, I mean. There you go. Now I can even have an outline. Five px solid red. That's so cool. So this is how you can kind of add content before and after, either in terms of text or in terms of symbols, signs or heart or whatever. This is quite interesting, right? So this is all about the before and after. The same thing in the span I just show you here. If I just replace by after, I could get it like this. So note comes after, likewise. So this is a very interesting chapter. As you've seen, you can go creative and add anything, whether to a hyperlink or to a title, to your header, to your span, anything, to your paragraph, to your code. This is how you can add stuff. So this is all about pseudo elements before and after. And if you have any more doubts, please mention it in the comment section, whatever your thoughts are. I'll be doing one more chapter on specificity CSS, and then we'll be concluding the specificity lessons. I hope you have enjoyed watching all about CSS Specificity series, and do let me know if there's something more you would like to know on this topic. If you haven't subscribed yet, remember to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you'll be notified as soon as I publish such tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe in your journey of becoming a CSS expert. Stay safe, stay safe, stay subscribed. Bye. See you in the next lesson.